Hi guys, it's Jonathan Isaacs here, Product Marketing Manager at BigChange, and I'm joined today by Tansy Sheehy, Customer Service Director and also part of our CSR panel. How are you, Tansy?
Good morning, and thank you for having me.
Fantastic. Well, we are here today to talk about one of our customers, Cleanology, and what they are doing to support a fantastic charity, the Hygiene Bank. Tell us a bit about that, Tansy.
Yeah, we're so excited our customer has taken on this challenge. The Hygiene Bank, wish we lived in a world where this wasn't necessary, but we do. And the Hygiene Bank is absolutely fundamental to a lot of people. You'd be surprised at how many people in the UK live in hygiene poverty. What that means is they don't have the access to showering and bathing facilities. They don't have products that keep them healthy and clean day to day, maybe sanitary products, all sorts of things that most people take for granted. You open your bathroom cabinet, it's all there for the taking. Well, it's not for a lot of people. And so our wonderful customer, Cleanology, is going to be helping plug that gap.
And I understand that Cleanology have so far raised over £78,000 to date for the Hygiene Bank, which is a huge sum of money. What are they going to do with that money?
Well, haven't they done well, first of all? But what they're doing with that money is they're taking it out into the communities. They're making sure that the donations received hit the people that are in need. So yeah, they're working hard to turn cash donations into the products and then get the products to the people in need.
And I understand they are on a mission to raise even more money than they currently have. So on the 9th of October, Cleanology will be hosting a fantastic fundraising event at the Hard Rock Cafe in London. They're going to be bringing together people from across the FM cleaning industry. So if you would like to find more information on how our customer Cleanology are doing fantastic work for the Hygiene Bank, click on the details below and get your ticket and get involved. Tansy, anything you would like to say to the team at Cleanology before we wrap up?
No, best of luck. Keep going. You're doing a fantastic job. It's so important. It's a basic human need, and you're just doing great. So thank you, and keep going.
Fantastic. Tansy, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.